license to chill. Left the Port of Tampa, destination Margaritaville. I can't wait till had our fins up to party ever since we left the dock. Late night dancing at the hot, hot, hot. Get ready to rock. It's always 5 o'clock. It's always 5 o'clock. We're taking a flip-flop stroll, worries wasting away. I met a blonde stranger at the Port of Indecision buffet. It's an islander day. It's an islander day. On the far side of the world, soaring in the Hemisphere dancer, I ordered a Cubanita at a mile-high mood enhancer, just to romance her, just to romance her. Love and luck is a roll of the dice, a cheeseburger in paradise, a fruitcake to the left, a parrot to the right, a party all night, party all night, a party all night. One particular harbor is filled with Havana daydreams. An everlasting moon hangs in the sky as it gleams, or so it seems. Or so it seems. Or so it seems. Sailing upon the ocean, living la vida, the spirit of the islander, a momentary daytime. Come Monday, we'll be singing the blues. It's been a lovely cruise. It's been a lovely cruise. Ooh, yeah. In a land where the palm trees sway, sunset melts into the bay. There's a captain with a weathered face, living life at a lazy pace. A parrot squawks upon his shoulder, colors bright and stories bolder. Sailing seas, he's got no tides, just the breeze and the endless sky. pirates and paradise, living life without thinking twice. Raise a glass, set your sails high in this island life. We live and fight. In a beachside bar with a salty crew, stories flow like the ocean's blue. Tales of treasure and rum-soaked nights underneath the tropical lights. A hammock swings between two trees, as gentle as the island breeze. Laughter echoes through the night in this place where life flows just right. Pirates, parrots, and paradise, living life without thinking twice. Raise a glass, set your sails high in this island life. We live and fight. Hustle, left the grind to let the waves wash our worried mind. Now we live on island time, where every day is a state of mind. The morning sun greets a new day. The pirate life's the only way. We chase the rise and never stay. This is the paradise where we play. The pirates block the sky so blue. In this moment, nothing left to do. So here's to the life we've come to know, out to the sea where our dreams can flow. Pirates, parrots, and paradise, living life without thinking twice. Raise a glass, set your sails high in this island life. We live and fly. Pirates, parrots, and paradise, sail away and pay the price. Release the bonds and cut the ties. Live in a world of pirates, parrots, and paradise. Sunken treasure, I have heard your song, chased your golden promise since my days were young and long. Been chasing all along, been chasing all along. Watch the empires rising, fortunes come and go, and your shadows lurking, silver won't shine or glow. Most don't even know, most don't even know. Yes, I am a hunter, searching high and far. The gold rush is over, nothing left to plunder. I'm a worn out dreamer with an empty jar, looking for a star. Looking for a star. I've sailed to far horizons, climbed the highest peak, made enough memories to fill the ocean, stories I can't keep. Too precious and deep, too precious and deep. And I have been searching now for over many years. I rallied and I faltered, conquered many fears. But I gotta stop roaming, head on back home now, down to what matters once again. Just family and friends, just family and friends. I go for wild adventures, chase them many miles. Though they pull me away, at the end of the day, what made life worthwhile was just your smile, was just your smile. After seeking fortune, after all these years I found my greatest treasure isn't buried, but right here all around. In the love that surrounds, in the love that surrounds, in the love that surrounds, in the love that surrounds. Sways in the ocean breeze, a margarita sets my mind at ease. White sand beach and a summer scene, that's my escape from it all. Salty air and a steel drum band, footprints washing from the sand. Dance until I cannot stand, that's my escape from it all. That's my escape from it all. Coconuts and waterfalls, paradise where trouble falls. That's my escape from it all. Sun-soaked days where worries fade, island rhythms and lemonade, floating where the waves cascade. That's my escape from it all. Sailing out where dolphins play, go golden sunsets paint the bay, drifting along as stars display. That's my escape from it all. An island getaway, I feel free. Ocean waves calling out to me. Nowhere else I'd rather be. That's my escape from it all. Bonfire sparks ignite the night, strumming chords that feel just right. Stories shared in the pale moonlight. That's my escape from it all. That's my escape from it all. Coconuts and waterfalls, paradise where trouble falls. That's my escape from it all. That's my escape from it all. Coconuts and waterfalls, no more clocks, no urgent call. That's my escape from it all.
Island sweet as sugar, the sands that softly flicker, found a haven by the liquors, where dreamers come to play. A margarita in my hand, with steel drums in the band. That salty breeze, it felt so grand, washed all the fears away. This paradise whispered secrets, and flavors bittersweet, an elixir of emotions in a sunny beat. Found my soul in frozen moments, where shore and hardwood meet. Come free in this reverie. Trees sway low. With every sip I found hope. In this island dream I found me. Mornings kissed by golden rays, the waves dance in their ways. As the bongos a rhythm plays, I let my spirits rise. That icy drink, my soft reprieve, it taught me to believe that here I had no need to grieve. It cleared my misty eyes. This paradise whispered secrets and flavored bittersweet, an elixir of emotions in a sunny beat. Found my soul in frozen moments, where shore and hardwood meet. Come free
in this reverie.
Up, y'all.
Trees sway low. With every sip I found hope. In this island dream I found me. In the glow of twilight sin, with a new friend in my hand, this margarita saved me on this golden strand. Where the palm trees sway low, with every sip I found hope. In this island dream I found me. Blowing in from the ocean, coolest place on earth. Paradise as an island at the end of the world. I've been known to drink too much when the drink's on ice. I've been known to have a good time in the Key West nights. And we don't come down till the sun comes up. We go all night and it's still not enough. Come on and get down to the Key West nights. We were meant to be together, here forever. Sunsets to treasure till the end of time. And I don't need to sleep that much when you're by my side. And I don't wanna miss 1 minute of the Key West nights. And we don't come down till the sun comes up. We go all night and it's still not enough. Come on and get down to the Key West nights. Till the sun comes up. We go all night and it's still not enough.
Still not enough.
Come on and get down to the Key West nights. And I don't want to miss 1 minute of the Key West night. sun is sinking, and I've been thinking to follow the trail to the land of tequila and fire. Sailing away this time, searching for a sign, for that Latin delight of my heart's desire. South of the borderline where the sun always shines, I'm breaking out of my tropical haze. Some people will say that it's just a fool's game when we end up going separate ways. You know it's my duty to find the Mexican cutie, adorning the ink on my tattoo. From Acapulco to Guanajuato, without her love I don't know what I'll do. South of the borderline where the sun always shines, I'm breaking out of my tropical haze. Some people will say that it's just a fool's game, but with my new love, there'll be better days. Hopped on a ferry to Isla Mujeres. My golf cart broke down on the cliffs of Punta Sol, but I'm not upset. I watched as the sun set, sipping palomas while thinking of her. South of the borderline where the sun always shines, I'm breaking out of my tropical haze. Some people say that it's just a fool's game, wandering around like you're still in a daze. I drank my car to the local cantina, shared a shot of tequila with a lovely Latina who had a smile that glowed like my tattoo. Turns out this Mexican cutie was searching for me too. South of the borderline where the sun always shines, following the path that your heart finds. Some people say that falling in love's a fool's game, but if you don't try, well, ain't it a shame? Some people say that falling in love's a fool's game, but if you don't try, well, ain't it a shame?